A complete computer guide.
Hi, welcome you all in my channel. As you know, I'm Dhananjay. Today I'm going to start new topic of QBASIC, and that is of modular programming, and that is most important for new and recently SCA students. And I got this question from model question, and that is from new syllabus. It is most important to understand this topic, that is dry run in table. You can see the question here. So question is saying that write output of the following program with dry run in table. So main important is dry run in table. So in previous question or previous examination, there was asking only write output of the following program. But here in new model question, you can get this type of question with dry run in table. So I will describe it later what is dry run in table. You can see the question and you can note the question, and then step by step I will describe all the topics. Okay. So now you must understand here dry run in table. So what is dry run in table? So I am saying you the definition of dry run in table. So dry run in table means the process to get output. So in which output you are getting the result, that all the process you have to write here, and in that process is called dry run in table. So if you want to write the output of the following program, then first you have to write in a copy, in a page, because that output may be longer. So you must write that table. You must create that table step by step. Then only you can write the output. So now here I am making a table here. You can see. So in modular programming, you know that there is 3 steps, that is declaration, calling and defining. So here in first, here you can see declare, that is declare statement. Here is parameters, and here it is calling statement, and other is defining statement. So here from a starting step we have to write or we have to create a table. So I am making a table. So first here is value or parameter is A and B. So you can write here A and B. Other is X and Y. So also here you can write B, X and Y also, and other here I. So I also you can put, and other here is do loop. So you must put here. So it is just a parameter which we need in table. Now here you can see, first in declaring, when you declare the value of A and B, then here is not any value. So we just, here we will not put anything. But here X and 1 is defining data statement. One thing also you must note that here is colon. Means if you write value of Y in here, then also it is right, or in one line also it is right, and that are separating by colon. So you must understand this. So here value of A and B is not, but value of X and Y is 1 and 2. So you can write here 1 in table. Now other, when you pass the value of 1 and 2 you call, then here in A and B also value is passed, and value of A and B also 1 and 2. Then here in next step also you can write A and B is 2. Now here I is 1. Then you can write 1. Now other step is in do loop print A, and here you know that semicolon means all the value is written horizontally, but here print means output. Then here A is what? Then you can see A is 1. So you can write output in another place, not in table. You cannot write output in table. So I am writing output just I am writing output here. Okay, you can just note it. Here in board is small, so I am writing here. So you can write it clearly in your copy. So here output. Output is what? First output is A, value of A is 1. So you can write here 1. Now value of A is A plus B. Means value of A is 1 and B is 2. Then A plus B is value of A is 3. Then you can write here 3. In other steps, you can see here B equal to A plus B. Then previously we get value of A is 3 and B was 2. So 3 and 2, B is 5. So here you can write 5. Now I equal to I plus 1 means 1 plus 1 2. Here value of I is 2. In loop 2 is less than equal to 5. 2 is less than equal to 5. So this condition is true or not? You can see here true condition. So here true condition. It again go in loop and print A. Then you can get value of A is 2, 3. So here it is 3. Now value of A is 3 plus 5, 8. And value of B is 8 plus 5, that is 13. And here in loop 2 plus 1, 3. Then or in another loop 3 is less than equal to 5. It is also true condition. Then also loop runs. Then again value of print is A is what? 8. You can get from here 8 value. After that here A equal to A plus B means 8 plus 13. That means 21. Value of A is 21 and B is 13 plus 21 means 34. So you can write here 34. I equal to 3 plus 1 4. And then loop is 4 is less than equal to 5. This condition is also true. So then loop again runs. Then print A. A means what? 21. So here you can write 21. Now another step. A equal to A plus B means 21 plus 34. Then what you get the value? Means for 5, 55. So you get the value of 55. A is 55, B is 55 plus 34 means 5, 4, 9 and 89. You get the value 89. Here I equal to 4 plus 1 means 5. And 5 is less than equal to 5. It is also true condition. Then loop again runs. Then again print A. A means what? 55. Now again the value of A is A plus B means 55 and 89. 144. And B is 144 and 89. 233. And I plus 1 is 6. 6 is less than equal to 5. This condition is false. So loop will not run in this condition. So now you get this table and output is here and table is like this. So it is called draw in run table. So I hope you have understood what I did here. So students, this is the running table, dry running table. By this method you can make any program. Any program you can just understand that dry running table means the process to get output. How you get the output, that process if you describe in table, in that condition you get the value, that is dry in run table. I hope you have understood. If you get any confusion in here, then you can write in comment or you practice the other question. Then also you get any confusion, then also you can comment. And friends, like, subscribe my channel. For today, this was only. In the next video, I will describe another topic. So keep watching my channel and thank you for watching my video.